All right, our hinge saga continues. It's definitely more complicated than it looks. So we got the back of the bench, and here's the bench seat all simulated. The hinge, what we're looking for it to do is come out and up and rest in this area. Problem is, this was initially probably too relaxed of a geometry, which allowed this to go back into this quite far. But we're realizing, we kind of realized it a little bit early on, that this probably shouldn't be, definitely not over 17 or 17, probably more like 16 to the back. And then this probably needs to be straighter. So what we've done in the hinge design is to move the pivot point more into the center of the seat structure itself, so it sits down in there quite far. And we thought we could bring this back up and get away with that, but as it turns out, we can't. So what we're going to have to do is incorporate a little lip here, and this lip will allow that space where this bench seat can find a home while it's up. So if it actually is here, it hits, it won't allow it to open. So we've got the action up, out, and we just need that final little bit of space here. So what that means is we need to play with not only this distance, but also we don't want to have a huge seam here. And we didn't want this seam in the middle of the bench, obviously. Then there's nothing to hit. And we don't want this so it feels like you're falling backwards. Anyway, more stuff to play around with. We're actually testing it out real time on the bench seat itself. And there's the seat, this is the bottom, and these are the cavities we made where the steel plate will reside. All right, to be continued.